Now approaching is the Amtrak Silver Meteor. It's southbound from Sebring. Its next stop is West Palm Beach. Normally, the train comes through here at 79 miles per hour, but the last 2 days it's been doing 64 miles per hour. I'm not sure what the reason for that is. In the summer when it gets really hot, there's a heat restriction and it slows down, but there is it's not warm enough for heat restrictions right now, but they have limited the speed to 64 for reasons unknown to me. Not 100% sure, but I think it's an ALC 42 Charger leaving. And it's just starting to rain. It's like the train is bringing the rain. No, I was incorrect. It's not a Charger. It's a P42 DC leading. And I don't think it's doing full speed. Definitely slower than normal speed. All right, there you have it, Amtrak Silver Meteor, southbound.